Hi guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to install a sklauncher. And do it at your own risk, and it's for educational purposes. Open Google, search sklauncher, then open sklauncher, the Minecraft launcher, then click on download, then download sklauncher. Wait for it. Then click on download. It will download up here. When it downloads, you have to click on sklauncher and it will start. It will install, then it will start. But for you will see this screen. To go to Microsoft if you have a Minecraft account, or if you have a sklauncher account, you will go play offline. Offline. Then you will enter your name. Mine is this. Don't use my account, please. And when you get your account. If you want to get other versions, you have to click on management installation, then new installation, and then you can do the version you want and other customizations. If you want, and guys, if you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.